At the National Space Centre, we've been learning all about biodiversity, the carbon cycle, and how we can learn about it from space using the Biomass satellite. This mission will help us learn about how much carbon is stored in our forests. Like forests, oceans are really good at storing carbon, but this can have a negative effect on them.
When oceans absorb too much carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, they become acidic, which is harmful to marine life. If the acid gets strong enough, it can eat away at minerals used to create shells, skeletons, and coral reefs. We can see how carbon dioxide makes water more acidic by using a universal indicator. Today, we'll be using red cabbage.
Universal indicators tell us the pH of a solution, which determines whether it's acidic, alkaline, or neutral. Neutral solutions, like pure water, have a pH of 7. Acids, like vinegar or lemon juice, have pH values lower than 7. Alkalis, like dish soap or toothpaste, have pH values higher than 7. The further from 7 the pH is, the stronger the substance is.
Red cabbage leaves contain a substance called anthocyanin. Anthocyanins are a group of antioxidants found in red, blue, and purple fruits, vegetables, and flowers. They give them their colour, but they also change colour depending on whether they're mixed with an acid or an alkali.
Getting anthocyanin out of our red cabbage is pretty easy. All we have to do is boil it for around 10 to 15 minutes, so make sure you have an adult to help you and be careful with the hot water. A few leaves will do. You can use the rest to make a coleslaw or a nice side dish. You should end up with a dark blue liquid, and don't worry if your cabbage also turns blue.
We can use different household items to look at the different colours on our red cabbage indicator scale. You'll need a few different glasses of water, and then we'll pour a small amount of our different items into each glass.
Next, we'll add a small amount of the red cabbage liquid to each of our test tubes and watch as the colour changes.
So in this tube we have our red cabbage indicator.
And in this tube we have our tap water, which is neutral.
We can see that our lemon juice and hand sanitizer have gone reddy purple. They are more acidic.
And we can see that our dish soap and toothpaste have gone to more of a teal green colour, which shows us that they're alkaline. Using science like this and missions like Biomass, we can help to understand and monitor the health of our planet and look to make choices to help improve it.
Why don't you have a go at home and see what colours you can make?